Hi, everybody. My name is Danny Lustiger. I'm the founder and CEO of MedCu Technologies. I'm over 30 years in the business of MedTech and high-tech, leading different startups. One was actually going out public on NASDAQ, raised $100 million. The second one was sold. MedCu Technologies is by far the most exciting company that I ever... Sorry, MedCu is by far the most exciting adventure. A company that put on its vision to heal wounds in a way that we're not doing it today. We're talking about chronic wounds and we're talking about acute wounds. Over the last 7 years, we developed the first and only wound healing dressings, which actively stimulates the regenerative of skin layers and establishment of blood vessels. The technology is based off copper. Copper is a natural mineral. It has a lot of different properties. We're focusing on the wound healing property of copper and the fact that copper is a natural, effective antimicrobial. We have a first family of products, which already was introduced. We have FDA, we have CE registration, we have reimbursement in the US. We actually started last year with commercialization. We sold around $1 million outside the US, and we're focusing now on getting into the US with the pre-commercialized activities and setting up a team in the US. The standard of care is not sufficient today. It's based on negative pressure wound therapy, skin grafting, oxygen therapy. All of them are very expensive, are not accessible in different rural territories, costly, and very, very uncomfortable to the patient. By taking the copper dressing, which comes in a version of a dressing, very easy to apply, and using it in this environment, we actually managed to bring something which is very simple, affordable, very, very effective, and what is really important, it can be used for the entire wound healing stages. And this is something which is really unique because today, in a regular procedure, you change dressing sometimes between 5 to 8 times from different dressings. Because of the properties of copper and the fact that it's natural to our body, you can use the same dressing and get great results for the entire wound healing process. We just finished our first randomized control study after 3 years with extremely good results comparing our product to negative wound therapy, which is considered a revolution in the market. So actually, I'm just repeating, it's an effective, economical, simple to use, and it's a disruption to a market which is estimated by over $30 billion. Okay, great. Now it's working. We've been recognized in the industry for the last 3 years. We got multiple industry awards. The last one was in 2014 by the Wound Journal of Care for innovation in this segment. We published over 40 medical publications. We have a great team of experts. What you see in this photo is my partner, Dr. Gadi Borkes, who considered to be one of the best in this field. And of course, we are part of MedTech Innovator, which we're very proud of being so. This is a great recognition for the technology and for great support of what we can bring to the market. But what is really, really, really important is this is why we're doing it. What you see here is actually a photo of Derek. Derek, I got an email from Antoinette, which is his wife, somewhere in April last year, and she was completely devastated. He was over 7 years with a non-healed wound. He lost his foot, part of his foot, and he was actually hospitalized at home, moving with a wheeling chair, and was in a very, very bad condition. You know how it is in the US. They lost all the insurance money, really last resort. In these cases, we actually supported her, of course, as part of what we do. And this is an email that I got from her last September that actually he healed. And now Derek can ride his motorcycle. By the way, this is also my personal hobby, so it was very emotional also. And actually, we saved his life in terms of quality of life. And we're getting this kind of stories and situations all over. Almost on a weekly basis, we get some kind of a story like that. And this is something which is very important, because at the end of the day, we all, and all my friends here from all the companies, we're here to do something good. This is what we do. And this is a great recognition. And for me, it was a really, really an emotional moment. So as Hippocrates said, healing is a matter of time, but sometimes it's also a matter of opportunity. We have the registration, we have the reimbursement, We have the system set up, and we have a great, great, great team. And this is a great opportunity for all of you to join us. And this is why we're here. We're raising actually round A of $10 million, and I'll be really happy to chat with you, explain a little bit more, send information, and hopefully also conduct some kind of a deal in the future. Thank you very much.